oh yeah. We're homeschoolers, oh yeah. We're homeschoolers, oh yeah. We're homeschoolers, oh yeah. We're homeschoolers. Today we're going to show you how we make vegan pizza all by ourselves. We're also going to show you how to make delicious vegan cookies. Our materials are cauliflower pizza crust, tomato sauce, and cheese. Vegan cheese! First you put the tomato sauce on the pizza crust. Then you spread it! Then you add the vegan cheese. When you're all done, have an adult put it in the oven. Then you have your yummy vegan pizza. We usually have ours with the side of kale. Now this is kale. So yummy! Now time for vegan cookies. Our ingredients are chocolate chip cookie flour mix, vegan warm butter, almond milk, and agave. Next, you pour the almond milk into the bowl. Then put 2 teaspoons of agave into the bowl. And then whisk! Then put the flour mix into the bowl. Then mix it! Then pour the melted butter into the bowl. Then mix it all together. Then drop 1 rounded tablespoon of cookie mix onto the sheet. Have an adult put the cookies in the oven. And then enjoy your yummy vegan chocolate chip cookies. Check out the description for where we got the ingredients. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye.